everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today's video is going to be an Amazon Travels Essential video. So it's about 8 or 9 items that I purchased personally for my trip that I'm going to in Mexico. And I also think that these are things that can be useful whether you are on a plane or, you know, maybe you're taking a mini road trip somewhere. So the first thing that I purchased is this lint roller right here. So as you can see, it's not that big. So it's really convenient to have in your purse, in your backpack, or even in your car. And you just roll it up like this. And, you know, just take all the lint off. So yeah, I don't know. I think this will be very useful for me. Oh, before I forget, this was about $6 or $7. So the other items that I purchased are like more of a car accessory, but I think they'll still be useful, you know, for everyday use, or like I said, if you're going on a road trip or anything like that. But it's these car hooks that you put on the back of your seat so that you can hang your backpack, you know, your purse. If you have groceries or whatever, you can just use these hooks. And these were $5.99 for a pack of 4. They also have other cute ones that have like little rhinestones on them, or like metal ones. I saw some tan ones too, so if you have a tan like interior in your car. And I'm not going in any particular order for these things. This one, I also bought this case right here for my iWatch. So it's just black. They didn't have a lot of like a big selection. I think they had like a pink one, a gray one, and then one that had a bunch of different colors. So I just went with a black one. And it comes with a little hook so you can like hook it onto your bag or your backpack. So this is what the inside of it looks. I think you just put your watch right here, and then you can also put your charger, and you just like put it right here. So this is really cool, you know, it helps keep your watch safe, especially if you're not wearing it. You know, you have it in your bag or something like that. So, and this is $10.99. I'll link everything down below just in case, though, in case I forget to mention anything. The other thing that I purchased is these waterproof cases right here. So they were $7.99 for 2. I just thought it was more convenient because I think one was like $5.99, so I was like, I might as well just get the pack of 2. I'm going to be going to the beach, you know, so I want to have my phone in here and still be able to record videos. And then it also came with the little like strap, so you can strap it around your neck. Then I also bought this steamer, right? Because in Mexico, I don't know if my grandma still has the thing to planchar, but and we're also going to be at the hotel at the beach, so I just thought that this would be convenient, especially if you have delicate items, you know, like dresses and stuff like that. It has the cord right here. It's not that big, right? So I'm holding it like this, so it's small and compact, and I can carry it, you know, also in my luggage. And then it came with these 2 like brush heads right here, and it came also with like a little measuring cup so you could put the water in there, and then this like little cute velvet bag to put that along with all the other accessories. And this was $26.99. And then I also purchased this jewelry organizer right here. So it's not that big, you know, so it's small, compact. And this was $15.99. I really like it because, I mean, I haven't even used it, right? But it's like silky right here. This is for your necklaces, and then it has like these extra other pockets, you know, for like any other like bracelets or things like that, you know, watches that you might have. And then it also has these 2 little like bags right here, 1, 2, and then the back, this is for your rings. It also has another little zipper right here so you can fit more things in here. And then this is where you put your earrings. And it came with this little bag, I mean this little wipe. So this was $15.99. I also bought these travel pack organizing things. It came with a pack of 6. I think it was like $12, $12.64. So this is like one of the smaller ones. It came with 2 big ones, you know, for your jeans or your shirts. This is my first time using something like this, so I'm really excited because I know one of my friends used these on a trip that we took to New Mexico, and she said she really liked them. And this one's a little bit smaller, so you know, for like your socks, your underwears, things like that. This one I think is for shoes. It has like a little thing right here, and this one is like for shoes, and then this other smaller one too, like for your bras, I think. So I'm hoping it will make a lot more space in my bag for more clothes. And two more things. I purchased this backpack right here. So this can be, I bought it more for like an everyday use for work and stuff like that, but I think I might be taking it to Mexico as well. So it has this zipper in the back, and it's like a decent sized little bag. It's not too big. In the back it has like the two straps right here, and you know, they're adjustable. And on the inside it also has like a little bag right here, and then it does seems pretty spacious in there. So I'm hoping all my things will fit, just because I was carrying like 3 bags to work and it was just getting to be too much. So I was like, no, I just need to try to narrow it down. So I'm hoping that everything that I need for work will fit in here. And then the last item that I got is, oh my god, sorry, it's because I already fit everything in here. So you guys are gonna be like, what the heck is this? It's actually my makeup bag. So I'll just show you guys really quick. Okay, so these are like my brushes right here. Oh, and then it has another little like zipper. Oh my god, I'm struggling right now. Oh my god. Okay, so it has, I put another palette in there, and oh my god, okay. And then it has like these little compartments, which I really like, because you can switch them out, you know, like you can take them out, and just kind of compartmentalize everything according to your needs. They had a smaller one, but it was gonna be way too small, and then they also had a bigger one. So if you have those big like Morphe palettes, then I would definitely recommend it. Or if you have more makeup than I do, or yeah, if you just have a lot more makeup. This one was convenient for me, plus my mom and my sister also like to wear makeup, so I know that they're going to be taking their own palettes that I can borrow. So this one was $23.99. Oh, and the backpack was $28.04. Sorry, I just saw it right here on my iPad. But yeah, I just think it'll be really convenient for me. Everything is like a lot more organized than it was in my other little bags. The only thing that didn't fit were my lip glosses and my lipsticks, so I just have those in like another little bag that I can just throw in my backpack or something. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This was everything that I purchased on my little travel essentials Amazon haul, or whatever you want to call it. I'll link everything down below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again for watching.